today I have another DIY video for you, which is a voice over. Don't worry, next video will not be. If it is your first time here, I'm Kanitha and welcome. On this video, I will show you how to make a healthy hair growth spray. I know that I've shown you how to make a refreshing hair spray already, but this is a bit different. Okay, so before you go, after watching this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Also guys, before we get into this video, let me know in the comment section below what would you like to see on my channel, because I'm thinking to shift things around on my channel just to give you guys different things. So leave in the comment section below what you would like to see on my channel. So let's get into the video. So in order for you to make this healthy hair growth refresher spray, you will need 4 ingredients: with dry rosemary, amla, juniper berries, and clove powder. All 4 ingredients are overlapping in terms of hair benefits, but I'll just give you guys a few benefits of each. So rosemary, I have mentioned that on my channel before. Rosemary stimulates hair growth, helps prevent hair loss, thinning, hair sheddings, and dandruffs as well. Rosemary does not make your hair soft, so it strengthens your hair. Okay, it strengthens your hair if you deal with hair loss, hair that's like weak and fragile. And as for amla, almost the same thing. Encourage hair growth, makes hair looks very healthy scalps. Juniper strengthen the hair. They, like I said, they all like intertwined and overlapping in terms of benefits. And as for cloves encourages hair growth, contain vitamin K, reduces hair fall. So these 4 ingredients that you will need to make this hair spray. And this is a leave-in hair refresher spray that you do not need to rinse out. However, you can do one to rinse out. You will take the same process, but you just spray your hair, leave it for an hour or 2, and then you rinse it out. I also encourage people to not apply rosemary essential oil directly into the scalp without mixing it with some water, with some type of liquid, or another carrier oil. A carrier oil can be castor oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, to actually dilute the strength of the essential oil. Some people are very sensitive when it comes to essential oil, so if you are aware of that about your scalp, you can do that. And another thing you can do, you can add a few drops of your rosemary oil and cloves oil into your shampoo bottle, so you just rinse it out. I should also mention that juniper berries, they are such powerful berries. Okay, not only that juniper oil goods for hair, but it's an amazing type of berry. Okay, so it's good for other health factors such as pain, anti-diabetes, and anti-arthritis, a lot. Anyway, let's get into how I made this refresher hair growth spray that I'm sharing with you guys. And I know that you didn't see me pouring out the dry rosemary. The reason it looks like that, guys, it's because I do make oils, hair growth oils. So I had used amla and juniper and dry rosemary into a big mason jar and make some oil. So I take that residue and make the hair refresher spray, and this is why you didn't see me do that, and so you only saw me add just the clove powder. Okay, so what I did that, and then I boiled some filtered oil water, and then pour it into the mixture of the ingredients, and then cover it, leave it there for 10 minutes, and then use a cheesecloth, and voila, you got your hair refresher spray, hair growth refresher spray. All right, so this is me You know, because my hair, I had my hair out for like over a week. Can you believe it? I had my hair out for over a week, guys. Me. So you already know my hair was tangled. Sorry, excuse my face. My face, I had a at-home chemical peel I was doing. Let me tell you, this product is so amazing, but we're not here for this product, okay? But we're here for my hair and this spray. So I'm using the spray to actually detangle my hair and then to refreshen my hair because my hair was out, it was tangled. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoy.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment.
Have a joyful, peaceful, wonderful day.
I don't know about you, but you make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging. I don't know about you, you like a pick and chooser. Make it all about you, go take it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat, just wanna give you my